Hey guys, I'm gonna make this another quick video right quick because there's a lot of people that wanted to get the rest of the information. I got about 10 people email me because they want me to finish up the video series for the websites. And what I'm gonna go ahead and do, because I'm not a greedy guy, I don't mind showing love to people that I learned from myself. Seatbelt on, seatbelt, man. So do me a favor, let's just jump into it like this. Because I was gonna, do it, do like a screencast where maybe with Camtasia, and just record myself building a quick sample site for you guys. I'll do that later, but I'm a man of my word to the people that I talk to. I'm gonna give you the links and show you a couple of guys that I would suggest that you follow who already have videos out there. And there's the people that I went and checked out. It's just I wanted to do it myself because there was a couple of things, even though I followed them step by step by step, there were a couple of things that I did a little bit differently. And then there was a couple of spots where I got stuck and I had to figure it out myself. So I wanted to not only use the information I got from them, but also to add in it. So I'll still be there. You go ahead and follow these steps and you can have your website this weekend. Today is August the 6th. I just did the video telling you guys about Dr. Savvy Pass. But do this for me. Please subscribe, hit the like button or not like button, thumbs up or thumbs down. And I'm very thankful for you guys who've been sharing this particular knowledge with other people and using my product code. It is an affiliate code, so I do get credit for when you put in my code. And you guys, it doesn't cost you guys anything, but when you use my code, you get off 25% of your whole order. So I'm promoting the site where I use myself for my hosting needs is HostGator. HostGator.com. Go there right now, because your first step before you even get into making the website, you got to get hosting and you got to own your domain name. You got to lock it down. You just can't come up with a nice name, a .com name, and you're the only person who even knows about it, because number one, somebody else may already have that name. So go to HostGator.com. Go ahead and you'll see where you can type in whatever your domain name is. Like mine, healthyselfuniversity.net. Yours might be susiesbrownies.com. That's your domain name. You have to go buy it. And I'm giving you my code KTSU, which is short for Know Thyself University 2016. All one word. KTSU 2016. But go there first to HostGator.com. Get your domain name. Pay for that. And your hosting account. If you're going to probably only have one website and you're not thinking that you're probably going to do any more, you can always change it later. Just go ahead and get the Hashlink plan. But if you know for sure you're going to be like myself, you might have 100 websites. There's a shared plan that they have that it's called the baby plan. Now mine, the one I use now today, if you know for sure you're going to be selling stuff on your site, meaning you're going to have to take credit card payments, not sending somebody elsewhere to pay with PayPal, but you want them to be on your site where it's going to be HTTPS, a secure site, then you're going to want the business plan. But still, you put in my code, you're going to get the savings. And this is the best deal that I know of that I can give you for people that are serious and ready to start right now. So go ahead and do that. And make sure, like in the other video I was telling you about, you don't need all those other devices. It's business, so they want to upsell things. You want your site locked down, secured. It's already going to be secure, I guarantee it. We're doing a WordPress website. So go ahead and do that now. Uncheck all the other little boxes. You just want that one plan and that domain name. In the promotional box, where it says, do you have a promotional code? They have one that's already there. It's usually Snappy, SNAPPY. Erase that one, and you're going to get a bigger savings by using mine, KTSU 2016. There is no space in between KTSU and 2016. Put those all together, apply that code, and watch how much it's going to take off your bill. I get credit for that, and I thank you guys. That's how I show the companies that I work with that I really am sending business to them. And then, you know, this is business that I use myself. These are businesses I use myself. So check those out. And then after that, I want you to go to Tyler.com after you've gotten those. TYL, and I can put that in the link, make it easy for it, but it's Tyler, like the name Tyler. TYL, is it OR or ER? Now that I think about it, .com. I'll put a link up though to make it easy for you. And he's the one, he has one of the step-by-step tutorials on how to build your WordPress site. He has a step-by-step one. I encourage you. He has one that's up to date from 2016, but I like the look of both of them, because what I was going to do, I was going to include a lot of the knowledge I got from his 2015 tutorial, and he has a new one, and it's entitled Build Your Own WordPress Website 2015. But he has a new one too, and he also has in his videos, start your own blog today without any steps missed, something like that. But you will see exactly what I'm talking about. Tyler.com, TYLOR.com, Tyler.com. That's one of the people that I would suggest to get it started today. And then later on, you know, when I get time later on this week, I will go step by step with you. But if you want to get it started today, because there's a couple of people that I promise I will put up some information today for you to get started today. Check his stuff out, and I guarantee you will have a site up. And it's going to take some hours, but it's worth it. You're going to be able to do, I've made a couple of sites just using his step-by-step program. And I charge like $500 for these sites, because it has every single thing that I think a professional site should need. Some nice, vivid pictures in the background, you know, to catch people's eye. Also, a nice professional contact page where people can email you without having to cut and paste. I don't like doing that myself. So it puts a nice contact page on the last page to where people can just put in their information and hit send. They don't even have to know your email address, but you're going to get that email right in your box, and you'll be able to respond right to them from whatever email that you want. And also, I'll probably add another video, because I don't think he put one on here, where you can set up, so like my site, healthyselfuniversity.net, you know, my email address is lorenzo@healthyselfuniversity.net. It just looks more professional, where you have a website, susiesbakery.com, but you have a Gmail account, you know what I'm saying, or a Yahoo account. Or you can hit me up at MissyB2000 at yahoo.com, but you have a business, you know what I'm saying? So it just looks more professional when your business email is attached directly to your site. And I'll show you how to do that later, because I don't think he has it in those steps. But in the steps, when I do mine, we're going to go through all of that. And I'm going to want to add a couple of things that he does more. And the first one from Make Your WordPress Site from 2015, he's not using Beaver Builder as much. For those who already know what I'm talking about, you know, cool. But if you don't, it doesn't matter, because he's going to show you step by step. And the things I liked about it, his newer videos, I use a lot of information from both. One using the regular page builder, and then one for Beaver Builder. You know what I'm saying? Now, just by using his tutorials, I'm able to build the sites. And if I have to go and change some things, I can do it quickly in just a regular editor, or I can even make things even, you know, have a lot more functionality by using Beaver Builder. And, you know, working with his tutorial, you get knowledge on a lot of different plugins. The one from 2015, he's using a lot more plugins. were the newer ones, because probably a lot of people are like, this is too hard, this is too hard. He probably had to start using the Beaver Builder, and like I noticed, he didn't even have the same contact page that he had before, and a lot of different things using what's it called, some type of it's a way that you can change the fonts and have more functionality in the changing of the fonts and colors, where using different plugins for that, where in the new ones he made it very simple for you. I like using information from both, because as a professional, you're going to want to have more functionality on the look of your site, to where if somebody pointed to a website, and I guarantee you go through his tutorials, if somebody shows you a website, say I want my site sorted like that, you will be able to look at it and pretty much know how many columns that you would need with Page Builder in order to get that site looking like that, and you can make your site exactly like a site. So if a client shows you a site and say, could you make it like that, you don't have to just go and find a template for that. You'll be able to make that site like that. And he uses something he came up with called Tesseract. That's the theme he's using. It's a free theme. But go ahead and check those out. And I'll have the correct spelling for Tyler.com. It's either Tyler or OR. I believe it's OR.com. But I'll have the link up there for you too. All right, guys. That's that. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and any other questions or videos you'd like to see, for the nerdy part, that the people getting shot, saying street type stuff, but the nice video editing and camera stuff, and the tech stuff, give me some ideas, and we'll go ahead and do that. It's all about us teaching each other. All right, this has been Professor Lorenzo McCoy. Peace.